In today's video, I will teach you how to easily compare before and after edits while working in Lightroom. Let's get started. Lightroom makes it simple to compare your original image with your edited version while working, allowing you to evaluate your progress. And here's how to do it. First, we're going to use the before and after view shortcut. To activate the before and after view, simply press the shortcut \key. This toggles between original or before image and the edited or after image. You can continue editing as you toggle to see how adjustments affect the image in real time. The second method is using the before and after tool in Develop module. To do this, press D to access the Develop module. Then click the before and after view icon at the bottom left of the toolbar. It looks like a Y-split view. If the toolbar is not visible, press T to show it. Lightroom offers several layouts for comparing edits. You have side by side, wherein the original image is on the left and the edited on the right. And you have split screen where the original and edited views in the same frame, divided by a vertical or horizontal line. To change layouts, simply click the small arrow next to the icon and select the desired option. The third method is reset temporarily to view the original. To do this, hold down the Alt key or Option key on Mac to temporarily view the original image without losing your edits. Then release the key to return to the edited view. Then use the Reset button in the Develop module to revert all settings temporarily. But don't forget to undo it by pressing Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac. You can also use virtual copies for before and after comparison. To do this, right-click on the image in the Develop or Library module. Then select Create Virtual Copy. Make additional edits to the copy. Then select both the original and the virtual copy in the Library module. Then press C for the compared view. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.